The financial world is absolutely humming right now. If you hold Vietnamese dong or Iraqi dinar, clear your schedule. A tightly controlled 36-hour exchange opportunity is officially active, and it is moving fast. This isn't theory anymore. This is the shift from waiting to doing. Stay with me until the end, because we're going to walk through the projected rates, the exact steps for redemption, and the documents you must have ready. Missing any of this could mean missing everything. Reports coming in from high-level banking contacts and Treasury-adjacent sources confirm that a time-sensitive, restricted window for Vietnamese dong is now open specifically for the Tier 4B group. This is not a normal market event. It is brief, it is structured, and it is happening under heavy oversight. According to the intelligence, this window lasts exactly 36 hours. Major Tier 1 banks have activated high-security protocols to handle pre-cleared currency holders. This is the first real movement in the initial currency basket that many have tracked for years. The operation is designed to provide liquidity only to those who are already registered in the system. Live desk rates are circulating, with estimated valuations between 285 and 486 per 1,000 Vietnamese dongs. To give you a practical example, 1 million Vietnamese dong, normally worth very little on the open forex market, could now potentially bring between $2,000 and $4,000 depending on your tier and chosen payout structure. That kind of leap is almost unheard of. It signals a deep correction in how the dong is being valued globally. These rates are part of a structured rollout meant to reward long-term holders while protecting broader market stability. Participating in this limited window requires following protocols that have been quietly in place for months. Sources indicate redemption centers are running with upgraded physical and digital security. Every transaction is being handled as asset-backed. If you are Tier 4B, check your secure channels immediately. Notifications are not going to regular email. They are coming through encrypted systems linked to major financial exchange services. Each notice includes a unique appointment code. That code is your key to a specific time, date, and location. Without that code, you will not get in. No exceptions, no walk-ins during this 36-hour window. Your documents must be ready before you leave the house. You need a valid government photo ID, passport or driver's license. You also need a full serial number list of your currency notes, organized by denomination. If you are redeeming through a trust or business entity, have all legal paperwork ready for review. Compliance is everything today. These redemption centers operate more like a financial audit than a bank lobby. They expect prepared, professional individuals who can move through quickly. Arrive early for your appointment. Schedules are tight, and there is zero tolerance for lateness or missing paperwork. One of the most important parts of this process is the non-disclosure agreement. Every participant will sign a comprehensive NDA on site before final rates are confirmed and funds are released. This is to control the rollout and avoid market disruption from a flood of public information. You will also be offered structured payout options. These let you take some funds as immediate cash while the rest is distributed over time, often with interest or bonuses. Many experts recommend this route for building lasting wealth, as it can come with better tax treatment and capital gains protections. So why is the Vietnamese dong rising like this? Vietnam's economy has been quietly outperforming. Over the last 18 months, the country posted a massive trade surplus, driven by its manufacturing boom and central role in global electronics supply chains. While the US dollar has softened in Asian markets, the dong has gained real strength, backed by a 38% increase in national gold reserves since early last year. That gold buildup points to a deliberate move toward asset-backed valuation. Vietnam has also completed trials of its own blockchain-based digital currency, creating fast, verifiable international settlement infrastructure that bypasses older, slower systems. This is not an isolated event. It is part of a broader coordinated effort, a global currency reset. The goal is to move away from fiat-driven instability and toward currencies pegged to reserves and commodities. The Vietnamese dong is a key player in this first wave, alongside the Iraqi dinar and other currencies kept artificially low for years due to geopolitics. For IQD holders, this is excellent news. The same redemption blueprint being used for the dong today is exactly what we expect for the dinar very soon. The era of suppressed currency values is ending. As the 36-hour clock runs, the currency community is buzzing. We are hearing that Tier 3 groups have already completed partial redemptions in major hubs like Singapore and London. Those transactions are being handled through sophisticated banking instruments and escrow arrangements, keeping everything supervised. This phased rollout proves the system works, starting with higher tiers and now moving into 4B. If you are in this group, stay sharp. Keep your phone charged. Follow only verified sources. What you've been waiting for is no longer a dream. It is happening now. Also start thinking about your long-term strategy. This is not just about cashing out. It is about positioning for generational wealth. Successful participants are already booking calls with tax advisors and financial planners. Dress professionally for your appointment. How you present yourself can affect the service you receive. Treat this like the serious business transaction it is. Asking for a Tier 1 manager at your bank can help if you want to negotiate specific structured payout terms. The IMF and multiple central banks are watching closely. Vietnam's push toward de-dollarization and alternative trade networks has forced the global market to recognize the dong's real value. By settling more trade in its own currency, Vietnam has built domestic confidence and prepared for this leap. That same strategy is being used by other major emerging economies, positioning the dong as a future anchor for Asian trade. For investors who held dong through years of doubt, today is validation. Stay calm and focused. We have reports that major banks updated internal software this morning to include rate input fields that were previously locked. That is a clear technical sign. The infrastructure is live, and the highest levels have given approval. Do not let the short window make you panic. Let it make you precise. The reset is here. The window is open. Your moment is now. Make sure you like this update, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you get the instant the next phase for the Iraqi dinar goes live. The journey through currency speculation has been long and uncertain. But today's data is undeniable. Massive trade surpluses, gold-backed stability. Vietnam earned this revaluation. As a holder, you benefit from that transformation. Follow the steps. Protect your information. Move with confidence. We will stay on top of every hour of this 36 window with the clarity you need. Drop a comment. Ready for VND. Let's cross this finish line together. The financial world is changing, and you are at the front of the new era. In these final hours, remember, this is first come, first served. Banks have a limited number of appointments in this 36-hour block. Once filled, the next chance may not come for weeks. Procrastination is your only real enemy. Double-check your serial lists. Confirm your ID is current. Watch for that final confirmation code. The move to asset-backed wealth is a once-in-a-generation event, and you hold the keys. Thank you for trusting us to guide you through this historic time. Stay alert, stay prepared. We'll see you in the next urgent update. The reset is here.